Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Atelstan Fitzgerald Holder the first. Yeah.
And the last.
Yeah, and the last. Well, you have not seen the last of me.
No.
Look how sweet I look. Mwah, I kiss myself. How do I send a kiss and look at myself simultaneously? Concurrent kiss at myself. Where the bitch is at? Whew.
Oh, I don't know. It's kind of late.
Okay, so let's talk about epistemology, existentialism, ontology, metaphysics, bitches and hoes.
Okay. Maybe we'll start with the bitches and hoes.
Yeah, I
and
like the bitches and
work
hoes.
our way. Do you like hoes?
Yeah, I like hoes. Because I grew up in agriculture. So we had a lot of those.
Yeah.
Yeah, my dad was like, he was obsessed with tools.
Yeah. And your mother was a veterinarian, so you got to learn about bitches.
Yeah, yeah. Ha ha,
You get
you're
it?
killing it, he's killing it.
Oh no. So you were very, and I got to commend you on this, and actually, maybe even thank you for this.
Mhm.
You were very insistent about coming on the show again.
Oh, absolutely. I find,
May I ask why?
for a number of different reasons, it's going to inflate your ego, regardless, I'm going to inflate it anyway. So I find it intriguing, it's a beautiful platform. Probably one of the best studio, if not the best studio experience I've ever had. And I felt like this is the perfect environment to sort of encapsulate and put into perspective a number of different ideas I wanted to put out there. So yes, your medium was the epitome of what I idealized. Sometimes you have a vision. It's like a director have an audition. He knows what he wants, but he can't put it into perspective.
He needs
has-
other people.
Right, it has to illuminate in the actor's personality or persona. I feel what you do sort of exemplifies that. So now you can take your inflated ego and just ascend into the heavens.
So your vision is my reality?
Here we go. Me and my big mouth.
Wow.
The narcissist has taken over the floor. But you know what I mean. I like
I know. Well, thank you. Thanks for coming by. I know we had